Welcome back to Off the Hook Outdoors. Thanks for joining me today. Today, I'm going to solve an issue to a problem that probably many of us have that owns boats. So stay with me and I'll show you how to fix it. Okay guys, this is the issue that you have. On the back of my Ranger, you see these stains right here? That's an oil stain, and that happens from this well getting some oil in it from the motor. And when you stop your boat when you're fishing, that water washes up onto the back deck and causes oil to stain your carpet. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of those stains in just a few minutes. So the stuff that I'm going to use today is Simple Green. I'm going to use Dawn dish liquid, and that's the foaming style right here. That's the only thing I have. It works just as good. I got a little hand pump sprayer. I got 2 scrub brushes, and I got a bucket of water. So let me show you what I do with this carpet here. All right, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take my pump sprayer, and I'm going to fill it with some water. I'm going to fill it up with water from the bucket. I keep a bucket of water here just to so I don't have to keep using the hose. But I will use the hose to spray it off once I'm finished. But I'm going to fill this up with water. And that's good. Dump some of it out. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Simple Green, and I'm going to add some Simple Green into this. I usually use about a half a cup of Simple Green. And then I'm going to take my Dawn dish liquid, and I'm going to add my Dawn dish liquid to it, just about a quarter of a cup of the Dawn dish liquid. And then I'll show you guys what I do is I put it in, I pump it up a few times, and then I'll start spraying the carpet with it. And then just pump it up, get it going here. All right, stay tuned. Okay guys, so I pump sprayed it, and I'll do some more here for you. I just spray this on the carpet, the pump sprayer with the Simple Green and the Dawn dish liquid, and I coat it pretty good. I get it pretty wet, and we'll see the results here in a second. Then I'll scrub brush it, and I'll show you guys what I do there in a second. Okay guys, well as you can see, the grease is the oil is gone right now. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray it off, and I'll show you the results, and then I'll hit it again to make sure I get everything off. And I'm going to spray this off, guys, so you can see. And this takes a while because there's a lot of soap in it. Okay guys, and then once you do a part of it, you get your kids to finish it. But that grease is coming off, all that oil on the carpet is coming off real nice. So this just takes, sometimes it takes 2 steps, but this, it seemed like it only took 1 step for now. But if you get real bad stains on your carpet, I don't recommend power washing your carpet. You can ruin your carpet that way. So just use some Dawn dish liquid. I use a little bit of Simple Green because I believe that helps a lot. And clean your rug every year. Maintain your boat, and your boat will keep you happy if you keep the boat happy. Yeah, guys, so the one coating of the Simple Green and the Dawn dish liquid made a big difference. So she's just cleaning it off now. Eventually I'm going to do my whole boat, but I just wanted to show you the back end of the boat where it gets the worst. But this year I'm going to do my whole carpet on my boat like this. But that was just a little tip that I wanted to share with you guys today. But that's how I clean the back of my boat with the oil stains, or the whole boat. Just something for you guys to know. So the next step, I get a wet dry vac and I suck all the water off of the rug, or my daughter's gonna suck all the water off the rug today, and let it dry, and then I'll show you the end results here once we're done. Alrighty guys, so here is the final results. When your carpet is stained with oil, use Simple Green, Dawn dish liquid, and a scrub brush. Scrub it all out, hose it down, and then I use a wet dry vac to suck up all the excess water, and now I'll let it dry, and we'll be good to go for this year. Alright guys, well, that was just a little tip on how I clean my boat carpet. Hopefully it helps you out. If you like my content, please hit that subscribe and hit that notification button so you can be alerted whenever I upload new videos and do giveaways. Share us out, and thank you, and we'll see ya. If you'd like to subscribe to our channel, please hit that Off the Hook logo and share us out, and thank you for your support.